Hey there, beautiful people. Ready to turn back the clock without a time machine? Let's dive into the world of oils that will have you looking like you just stepped out of a fountain of youth. We're talking about natural, powerful ingredients that will make your skin glow like a disco ball at a wellness retreat. And trust me, I know a thing or two about glowing. Ever seen me not smiling? Exactly. That's the power of good skincare and probably good lighting, but mostly skincare. So get ready to say goodbye to wrinkles and hello to a more youthful you. We're about to unlock the secrets to amazing skin, one drop at a time. Let's do this. First up, we have argan oil, or as I like to call it, liquid gold. Seriously, if this stuff were any more magical, it would come with a wand and a spell book. This oil is packed with vitamin E and antioxidants, which are like little superheroes fighting off those pesky wrinkles. And you know what else is magical about argan oil? It's super hydrating, so it'll leave your skin feeling soft and supple, like a baby. A baby with really good skincare. I'm not kidding, folks, this stuff is a game changer. I use it every day, and let me tell you, my wrinkles haven't gotten any closer. They're still hanging out, but they haven't gotten any closer. And you know what the best part is? A little goes a long way. Just a few drops on your face and neck, and you're good to go. No need to bathe in it unless you want to, then by all means, go for it. Just invite me over, because who doesn't love a good oil party? But seriously, argan oil, it's like a one-way ticket to younger-looking skin. Trust me, your face will thank you. Next up, we have rosehip oil, the secret agent of skincare. It sneaks in, fights off wrinkles, and leaves no trace behind. Okay, maybe it leaves a trace of glowing, radiant skin. This oil is a powerhouse of vitamin A, which helps with cell turnover and collagen production. Translation, it helps your skin look plumper and smoother. Who needs fillers when you have rosehip oil, right? And here's a fun fact. Rosehip oil is also great for fading hyperpigmentation and acne scars. It's like the ultimate skin perfector. You know those filters everyone's using these days? Well, rosehip oil is like a natural filter in a bottle. Just imagine you, but with a permanent just stepped out of a rose garden glow. And no, you don't have to wear a crown of thorns. Unless you're into that sort of thing, then you do you. But seriously, rosehip oil is a must-have in your skincare arsenal. It's like a secret weapon against aging. Shh, don't tell anyone I told you. Now, let's talk about coconut oil, the Swiss Army knife of skincare. And life. Seriously, this stuff can do it all. First of all, it smells like a tropical vacation in a jar. Just open the lid, take a deep breath, and pretend you're on a beach somewhere, sipping on a coconut drink with a little umbrella in it. But don't let the delicious scent fool you. This oil is a serious multitasker. It's a fantastic moisturizer for both your skin and hair. It can even be used as a makeup remover or a shaving cream. Talk about versatile. I once used coconut oil for cooking, moisturizing, and even as a hair mask all in the same day. My kitchen smelled like a tropical paradise for days. My family, however, was not as impressed. They said I smelled like a bakery that had a one-night stand with a tanning salon. But hey, at least my skin looked amazing. So, if you're looking for a natural, affordable, and multi-purpose oil, look no further than coconut oil. Just maybe don't use it for everything all at once. Unless you want to smell like a walking pina colada, in which case, go for it. Jojoba oil, the Superman of oils. Up next is jojoba oil, the Superman of oils. It flies in, saves your skin from dryness, and leaves you looking fabulous. It even has its own cape. Okay, maybe not, but it should. Here's the thing about jojoba oil. It's not actually an oil, it's a wax ester. But don't let that scare you away. This unique composition makes it incredibly similar to our skin's natural sebum, which means it absorbs quickly and won't clog your pores. And because it's so good at balancing oil production, jojoba oil is a godsend for both oily and acne-prone skin. It's like a peacekeeping force for your pores, keeping everything calm and balanced. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants and vitamins, so it helps fight off those pesky free radicals that can damage our skin. Think of it as a shield against environmental stressors like pollution and UV rays. So if you're looking for an oil that can do it all, jojoba oil is your new superhero sidekick. It's here to save the day and your skin. Olive oil, the salad dressing for your face, kind of. Now let's talk about olive oil. Yes, the same stuff you drizzle on your salad. But before you go slathering your face with Italian dressing, let me explain. Olive oil has been used for centuries for its beauty benefits. It's rich in antioxidants, vitamins A and E, and it has anti-inflammatory properties. It's basically a Mediterranean vacation for your face without the sunburn. But here's the thing. olive oil can be a little heavy, so it's not ideal for everyone. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, you might want to use it sparingly or dilute it with a lighter oil. And let's be honest, it can make you smell like a salad. Just don't go near any hungry rabbits. But hey, if you're craving a Greek salad, at least you'll have the dressing covered. All jokes aside, olive oil can be a great addition to your skincare routine. Just use it wisely, and don't blame me if you start craving olives. Avocado oil, your spa day in a bottle, guac not included. Next up, we have avocado oil, the spa day in a bottle. Just don't try to eat it, no matter how delicious it smells. This luxurious oil is packed with healthy fats, vitamins A, D, and E, and antioxidants. It's like a superfood smoothie for your skin. It deeply moisturizes, soothes inflammation, and even helps protect your skin from sun damage. Think of it as a mini vacation for your face, without the overpriced cocktails and awkward sunburn lines. Just smooth it on, sit back, and let the avocado oil work its magic. And bonus points. Avocado oil is also great for your hair and nails. It's like a one-stop shop for all your beauty needs. Just don't tell your guacamole recipe I said that. So if you're looking for a luxurious, pampering treat for your skin, avocado oil is the way to go. It's like a day at the spa without having to leave your house or put on pants. Almond oil, the youth juice secret. Now, let's talk about almond oil, the youth juice secret. I once gave some to my friend and she loved it so much, she started calling it her youth juice. Now she looks 10 years younger and she credits it all to almond oil. Okay, maybe that's not entirely true, but almond oil does have some amazing anti-aging benefits. It's full of vitamin E, which is a powerful antioxidant that helps protect your skin from damage. It's also super hydrating and helps to improve skin tone and texture. Plus, it's gentle enough for even the most sensitive skin. So if you're prone to irritation or breakouts, almond oil is a great option. It's like a warm hug for your face without the awkward back patting. And the best part? It's super affordable. You can find it at most grocery stores, so there's no need to break the bank for youthful-looking skin. Unless you want to, then by all means, splurge away. I'm not here to judge your spending habits, but seriously, almond oil is a great all-around oil that can benefit everyone. Give it a try and see for yourself why my friend calls it her youth juice. Pomegranate seed oil. Get ready for your close-up. Get ready for your close-up, because next up, we have pomegranate seed oil, the red carpet treatment for your skin. This luxurious oil is packed with antioxidants, even more than green tea and red wine. It's like the Beyoncé of antioxidants, powerful, glamorous, and always ready to slay. Pomegranate seed oil is also a great source of punicic acid, a fatty acid that helps to regenerate skin cells and reduce the appearance of wrinkles. It's like a time machine for your face, but without the risk of accidentally running into your younger self and creating a paradox. And because it's so good at promoting cell turnover, pomegranate seed oil is also great for fading hyperpigmentation and acne scars. It's like a magic eraser for your skin, but without the risk of smudging your makeup. So if you're looking for an oil that will give you red carpet-ready skin, pomegranate seed oil is the answer. Just don't blame me if you start getting swarmed by paparazzi. Marula oil, the superhero of hydration, cape included. Last but not least, we have marula oil, the superhero of hydration. This oil is so good, it should come with a cape and its own theme song. Marula oil is extracted from the nuts of the marula tree, which is native to southern Africa. It's been used for centuries by African women for its incredible moisturizing and anti-aging benefits. This luxurious oil is packed with antioxidants, essential fatty acids, and vitamins C and E. It's like a green smoothie for your skin, but without the blender mess. It absorbs quickly, hydrates deeply, and helps to protect your skin from environmental damage. And because it's so hydrating, marula oil is a godsend for dry, dehydrated skin. It's like a tall drink of water for your face, but without the waterboarding. Just a few drops will leave your skin feeling soft, supple, and oh so glowy. So if you're looking for a superhero oil that will save your skin from dryness and give you a youthful glow, marula oil is the answer. It's a bird, it's a plane, it's marula oil. So there you have it, folks. 9 oils that will have you looking younger and feeling fabulous. Remember, age is just a number, but great skin is timeless. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends who need a little skin pick-me-up. And be sure to let me know in the comments below which oil is your favorite. Stay youthful, everyone.